Hi, hope you're having a lovely day. I've got a new unboxing for you, and it's not an unboxing I've done on my channel so far. It's an ASOS box. So this is what it looks like. So ASOS, if you're not aware, is an online retail store that focuses mainly on fashion, but they do beauty and hair care and makeup and things like that, but it's mainly fashion. I did a shop recently, and then I had an email about a week ago saying that I had £5 credit onto my account. So I thought, oh, all right then. So I had a look online, had a look at the beauty section just to see what they do, and I saw this box. Now I saw that they did a box last year sometime, maybe the end of the year. When I went to look at it again, it sold out, so I was late, so I wasn't able to get it. So when I saw this one, I jumped at the chance. Now these cost £12, and postage and packaging is free if you spend £25 or more on the ASOS website, but if you just want to get the box, it'll be £12 and then £3 postage and packaging. So this cost me £15, but with my £5 credit, I was able to get it for £10. So yeah, so this box was a £10 bargain box for me. So it tells you roughly what's inside it. So I have an idea, but I haven't opened it since it arrived a few days ago. So it's been sitting there waiting for me to do this video. Now it is curated by ASOS, and all the boxes are £12. They don't come out regular times. They come out now and again. So they're one-off special boxes, and this is their occasion edition. So inside is all items to prep and get you ready for a special occasion, a night out, a wedding, or so forth. So ASOS ship worldwide, so I'm assuming, I might be wrong, I will find out, and I'll link down all the details down below. So if you're interested to see, just click on the show more, that'll bring up description. But I'm sure, I know ASOS are all over the world because I see beauty YouTubers like from America and Canada and stuff, but I'm not sure about the beauty box, but I'll have a look, and I'll link it down below and everything, so it might be open to all, I'm not sure. But no, let's open it and see what's inside. So that's how it arrives. So it's got a, what is it, a card. So this says, "Go play, ASOS." And it says, "Whether you're blessed with an invite to a wedding bash, prom, or some other swanky soiree, this box is piled high with bits to ensure you serve serious sophistication. Lean on Ardell's lashes when the occasion demands drama, or play with sleek blush by 3 when colours called for. There's an ASOS makeup eyeshadow palette to make your peepers pop, Pro Tools marble brush for expert application, and a matte liquid lip paint from Coloured Rain for an elegant, barely there finish, perfect for any aspiring best dressed guest." It's the Ardell lashes that hooked me into this box, because I love Ardell lashes and I wear them all the time. And they cost what? They cost me about £5, £5.50. So yeah, let alone the rest of the items. So let's see what we've got there. There you go. That's all I can see is the Ardell lashes. So because this box is new to me, I know a little bit of information about it, but not a lot. But yeah, hopefully there's some way of signing up so that you can be alerted to know when they bring out their boxes, because that would be good, wouldn't it? But I'll just have to keep on going on ASOS to keep a check. So the first item is the Ardell Wispies, and these are the Demi Wispies. I absolutely adore them. These, and I'm actually wearing them now, is the Isla Cameo in Luxe. And yeah, these are a little bit cheaper but beautiful, really beautiful. And I love the Demis because they're not as wide. Always happy to have these lashes. Always happy. So the next item is a gorgeous marble brush. Oh my gosh, it's tiny, tiny. So that's what that looks like. I'll just show you up close. Beautiful design. But look at this. Hopefully it'll focus. Here, look. Really small tip. Really nice. What would I use that for? Maybe I'm going on top of my lid, and maybe in a corner highlight, or strong contour line. I don't know. No, that's really nice though. I do like it. So the next item is a sleek, and this is a Blush by 3 palette in colour lace. That's what the outer packaging looks like. Oh, perfect colours for me. Perfect colours, absolutely gorgeous. Let's do a swatch. What I like about them is that there's the two outer corners. I'm not sure how, if you'll be able to see well, but the 2 outer corners are matte, and the middle has a slight shimmer. I'm happy with that. I do love a coral blush. So the next item is the matte lip paint, and this is by Coloured Rain, and it's in satin cream. That's what the outer packaging looks like. Oh, I like this. It reminds me of Jeffree Star packaging. There's that. And let's see what it looks like. A nice nude. Let's try it in my hand. Ooh. Oh, that's really nice. I thought it would be more pinky, but it's not. It's like a gorgeous brown, like a mocha type, like a coffee colour type lipstick. So yeah, that would be interesting to try that. The last thing in the box is a little envelope like this. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, it's really hard to open. So this is Eyeshadow Palette. And it's Palette d'Ombres and it's by ASOS. It's an ASOS branded palette. That's what the outer looks like. Oh, the colours are nice. Oh, really, really nice. So you've got a mirror and then I'll tip that upside down. So you've got a mirror and those are the shadows there. Really, really lovely. Very neutral, but a nice mix. Let's do a bit of a swatch in my hand. There's 6 shades there. You're not going to be able to see the palest one at the top there, but there's 6 shades there and there's 5 matte and 1 shimmer. Really pretty. I love this colour here. Actually, these 3 here, the outer 3, they are gorgeous. I really love them. Really nice. No, happy to try that. I've never tried ASOS makeup. Ooh. If you'd like me to do a video trying their makeup, let me know and I can see what I can do. Now that I've got the eyeshadow palette, I can get like a few little bits and pieces and maybe do a video. So if that interests you, just let me know down below. So that's all the items. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got a liquid lipstick, we've got a makeup brush, we've got a blusher palette, we've got an eyeshadow palette and some gorgeous fake lashes. If I paid full price, it would be, with the postage and packaging, it would cost me £15. So even that at that price, I would be super, super chuffed. When you have a look on the ASOS website, it's quite easy to find. I just typed in beauty and it was there, but if you were to type in beauty box, then it'll come up as well. But that's the information that comes up when you look. So you do get to see what you receive in the box. So you do have a really good idea on whether it's worth paying or not. So I had a quick look and I thought, yes, definitely the Ardell lashes. And because I had that credit, I thought, well, why not? Let's try it. And I am super impressed with it. And I'm definitely going to be looking out for more in the future. So I hope you like this review. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.